Court sends a strong warning to the Attorney General of the Federation as well as the IGP of Police, Nigerian security agencies, and all who is to listen. Court affirms ruling that blocking of accounts without court order is unlawful and must never be done. In Nigeria, there is no rule of law. People do as they like, get away with a lot of wrong things, and no questions is being asked. It's very sad, but it's just the real situation of things. Okay, for instance, court will say, for instance, free this person. Let's take a real life example. Omoyele Sowore, court asked that they should free him since August until America intervened and said, is there no rule of law in the country? He was there in police custody. Even after, they've asked, court has given an order that he should be released. What about the 5 boys that went to Dunamis Church and, court has said, release them? Were they released? No. There's a lot of things going on in this country. What about after NSAS? What happened? Remember NSAS? Yes. After NSAS, what happened? Court said they should unfreeze the accounts of the people. Was it unfrozen? No. Welcome to Nigeria. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Courts warns Attorney General and IGP and tells them blocking of bank accounts without court order is unlawful and must never be done. A federal high court sitting in Abuja has reaffirmed its stand that it is unlawful for a bank to block accounts of its customer without permission injunction that allows for such. The court reaffirmed this in a judgment delivered on the case between Greenfield Nigeria Limited, a public affairs company, and Access Bank, the defendants. In its recent judgment, the court awarded 2 million naira as compensation in favor of Greenfield Nigeria Limited, whose accounts were restricted by Access Bank. The lead counsel for Abuja-based Greenfield, Adewunmi, announced this victory via his handle using a document containing the judgment. The court also said the police, starting from the IGP, AGF, Abubakar Malami, the justice system, must all follow due process law and order. Nigeria today, things are being done haphazardly and nobody pays attention to what is going on. Greenfield Nigeria Limited had earlier on October 28, 2020, filed a case against Access Bank accusing the lender of on-leasing restriction in his accounts. According to court document that has also demanded damage to the tune of 100 million, the firm said the court blocked was used to raise funds to support independent Nigerian journalists who cover the NSAS nationwide, and that was why they blocked the account. And this is why the court says it is wrong for anyone to go and block anybody's account without thorough law court order. The illegal withholding of funds in the said account had largely stirred the firm operation during the NSAS protest and prevented it from carrying out its purpose of disbursing funds. Additionally, the lawsuit was also meant to test whether blocking Greenfield accounts without a court order was unlawful, which the court has reaffirmed, citing a note of warning to both the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami that the rights of Nigerians must not be infringed upon. Very good. Very true. The rights of Nigerians must not be infringed. This is what we are experiencing. Welcome to Nigeria. People take laws into their hands. They do as they please, and nothing is being done. They get away with it because they are in government or they have somebody in government. This is how they roll. This is what they do. It is wrong, but sadly, this is what happens. You see, this is what goes on. This is what is happening. Nigerians, it is a wake-up call. They said because during NSAS, blah, 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 they use the accounts to raise money to protect and to cover journalists who cover the NSAS. So you don't want the world to know how you guys are oppressing Nigerians. Shame on you. Shame on you. And this is what they do, you see. They like to cover, anything that is being done in secret. It doesn't have a very good stand. Or things that are being done in secret that are concealed. If you look at it, these things, if it's something that is loving, that is kind, that will foster unity, progress, promotion, why are you hiding it? If it's something you are proud of, why are you shading it? Why you not bold to let people know that you are engaged in such and such and such? How come you are hiding it? How come it's okay, you cannot tell people about it? Then you have to recheck your motive. Your motive have to be motive have to be realigned and analyzed and checked to see if you are really on the right path of truth and justice, and you are giving the people the right thing, or you are one of those who are against the very fundamentals of real life. Because when you see Nigerian governments today, all they do is sad. It's sad. You don't know how much they oppress people. You don't understand it. It's sad, but that's what they do. That's how they roll. That's how they just do things anyhow. And it's I can't even begin to explain it. So this is some of the things that are going on, and you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. You see, Nigerians, we need to really take our stand. We need to really decide, you know. We need to really decide, and, what do we do when we have leaders who are the ones dubious, who are the ones causing the catastrophe, who are the ones, causing the real problem? We don't, I mean, for us to get out of this, we need to, first of all, recognize and decide and make up our mind on what we want. It's a deliberate, conscious effort. It's something we must do, okay? Open heartedly, honestly, and get to the bottom of it. With these people who are currently leading, they don't even have the iota, the 101 of leadership, yet the old men just keep recycling themselves. God will help us. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please do not forget to like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless you. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. Bye for now. Bye.